the gulls refuse to land over towers, swallowed by the sand. The walls we built still stand without a sound. Their windows watching as the sea claims ground. No signal lost, just stories left untold. In every cracked tile and coil